Review of Aromatherapy Sensual Massage Oil for Couples by Maple Holistics. The Aromatherapy Sensual Massage Oil for Couples by Maple Holistics has become a favorite among people for massaging their tired bodies and couple spa nights at home. The oil complex contains jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and lavender oil. Despite having so many different kinds of oils in a bottle, the fragrance is not overpowering. Consumers say that the oil smells expensive than it is. Win-win. You can purchase the aromatherapy oil in 2 sizes, 1 pound and 8 fl. Oz. Apart from offering an aromatic fragrance, Aromatherapy Sensual Massage Oil hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Why does everyone love the Aromatherapy Sensual Massage Oil for Couples by Maple Holistics? The oil complex is made of all-natural oil without any synthetic additives. It absorbs into the skin readily and moisturizes deeply. People with sensitive skin can use the massage oil without a second thought as it does not cause any breakout. The products are tested for quality control with utmost care. Despite being a blend of oil, it is not overly oily or greasy. Gives a nice, tingling feeling on the application that does not feel like burning. Does not contain aloe. It can be a perfect gift for newlyweds and any couple you are looking to gift something to. Special instructions. The product is intended for external use only and should be kept out of the reach of children. The oil must not be used for the diagnosis or treatment of any disease. Intake is strictly not allowed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.